Hey guys, welcome back. This is Vlogmas Day 4, and we are opening the brand new Archer and Olive monthly subscription kit. I don't know why I expected like a box, but it comes in this very flat but cute mailer. It was a real pain to try to get open. Not sure what was up with that. And this is what's inside. So we've got this plastic hole punched pouch. It's hole punched, but the punches are not out. So we're gonna have to take those out ourselves. That's a bit annoying. So let's see, what do we get? So we've got a collectible button. I do like pins. Very, very cute. Little owl here with the moon. Seems to be part of our theme, based on the packaging anyway. And then we've got washi tape on a card. While I find this weird, it's also probably really pretty good because I have a ton of Archer and Olive washi tape that I've never even used, and they're like decent sized rolls. In fact, here's a couple right here that I've not used at all. I don't remember when we unboxed those or what they were from, but they're sitting here and they've never been used. So these are really cute, and the bottom one has some silver foil, and I'm seeing scrap paper. Alright, so yeah, so we've got green scrap paper, which has all been indented by the pin in the flat mailer. We've got the purple, we've got the blue with penguins. It's the same on both sides, and then we've got these snowflakes, same on both sides, and these are stock red on one side and blank on the other. Okay, and then we've got stickers. So we've got these Winter Wonderland stickers, and they've got the foil, very cute, loving the bears. Fox is very cute, and there's our owl again. And now we've got full boxes. This is odd from Archer and Olive. 9 full boxes and 3 smaller, very smaller, little like headers down here with the snowflakes. And we've got a lot of silver foil. And now we've got a month worth of date dots, 3 weeks worth of days of the week, some checklists, some little circles with designs, and that's all foiled. Let's see. And then we've got 3 more, right? Is that 3 or 2? To do important. Okay, so 2 more sets. So you've got 5 sets of days of the week, and then you've got to do important and to do an important, and you've got some flags, quite a few flags, and then some smaller icon flags up here, and everything is, well, just about everything is foiled. These are a decent sized font, but because they're foiled and on a background, they're kind of hard to read. These are easier to read when the light is not making them hard to read because they're foiled. But these are a bigger font than these, so they're easier to read. So it all comes in this, like I said, this pouch. And when they announced the monthly kits, which is, this is 26 something, 26.66 or something like that. It's 26 something a month, I think. They showed this when they announced this. So this is their new sticker binder. I did get this, I think it came out the winter release. So you got pockets. What we're going to do with the pockets, I don't know, but we've got them. And I've already put some stickers in here. So these are from the winter release. They are the unicorn stickers. I don't know what the thing was actually called. These are from the Halloween release this year. I think that's all I put in here so far. Yeah. So the thing I don't like about buying it with the pouches is they came all like warped. That's not the best for storing stickers. This one is nice and flat, and this, I guess the way they're supposed to be, until you put it in here for a while, I suppose. But the holes aren't popped out, like I said. So I'm going to pop these out, and we're going to put our kit back in here without the pin, because as we saw, that dents things. I like pins, don't get me wrong, but maybe don't send them in a flat mailer with paper and stickers. It just doesn't seem like a good plan to me. Okay, well, hopefully this is just like, not everybody got it like this. Hopefully they come popped out, and mine's just, the usual, Pam got the wonky one in the mail. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to put the pin over here. So the nice thing is, because the washi's on a card, you can keep it with what it belongs with. And nothing on here said January, so you don't have to use this for January. But this is their January monthly kit, and then it will come every month, the month before they intend for you to use it. You can use it whenever you want, though. If you like penguins in July, go for it. So this one's nice and flat. The rest are not. They probably should have shipped these like outside of the binder. You know what I mean? Like they should have been like a flat pack type deal. So yeah, so they do fit in there. The Archer and Olive sticker sheets fit in here, which is something I've been asking for years. I'm thinking maybe top loading ones or side loading ones without these things might have been better, but because there's washi tape in this one for this kind of thing, it definitely works for that. But I'm not going to put the pin in there and have it dent more paper. It is really, really cute though. It matches the sticker. Okay, so that's it for this video. So you saw some of the stickers I have hauled in the last few months because they were in here, and the new kit. So what do you guys think of the new monthly kit? Like I said, I'm surprised. I thought it was coming in a box. My December sub box should be here by the end of next week, so we will unbox that when it comes. But what do you think of the new one? It's called Winter Wonderland. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.